Hello, dear viewers. Today, we are going on an incredible journey to the most mysterious corners of the universe. I will share with you the stories of 5 galaxies that have been revealed by the cutting-edge technology of the James Webb Space Telescope, but whose secrets are still unsolved. From starbursts hidden in cosmic dust to gigantic galaxy collisions, from the deep traces of time to the synchronized dance of nuclei beating like double hearts and the mysterious effects of dark matter, these galaxies contain all the stories the universe wants to tell us. As James Webb takes humanity's desire to explore the universe to new heights, these galaxies offer us both clues to the past and hope for the future. Today, we'll take a step-by-step look at the scientific facts, dynamic processes, and stunning visual details behind each of these 5 galaxies. If you're ready, let's open the doors to cosmic secrets and scientific miracles. Our first stop, the Stardust Galaxy, is home to some of the densest dust clouds in the universe, where bright new starbursts seem to emerge from the brush of a painter. At the center of this galaxy are areas where cosmic dust and gas are trapped, where stars are born suddenly. James Webb's cutting-edge infrared technology reveals this behind-the-scenes story, because it reveals the hidden details behind the dust curtain, even in regions where visible light cannot reach. Imagine you are deep in a dark cloud, watching a star suddenly come to light. Scientists are still trying to detail this magical process, in which high-density gases collapse under the influence of gravity and massive gravitational fields pull these particles together. Unexpected anomalies in the spectral data may indicate the existence of new dynamics in star formation mechanisms that have yet to be discovered. Our next galaxy, the Ringed Miracle, is like a work of art depicting the story of the universe itself. This galaxy has a distinctive ring structure formed by the impact of a massive, supermassive black hole at its center. It is a vivid reflection of the dramatic galaxy collisions and mergers of the past, revealing the fascinating and dynamic aspects of evolution. The structure of the Ringed Miracle resembles an impressive dance of stars, gas, and dark matter spinning in a circle. Under the strong gravitational pull of the black hole, the matter around it condenses to form this unique ring. This process carries deep traces of the galaxy's evolutionary past and offers important clues about its future directions. Our third galaxy, on the edge of time, is like 2 different universes in one. This galaxy displays thousands of years of ancient structures and the glow of newly born stars. Ancient relics tell the story of the galaxy's long history, while newly formed star clusters reveal the modern and innovative face of evolution. This duality symbolizes the continuity of evolution and the inevitability of change. Thanks to JWST's detailed spectral data, both the old and new phases of the galaxy are clearly revealed. This tells us that the universe never remains static, but is in a constant process of renewal and transformation. Our fourth galaxy, the Double Heart Galaxy, resembles the heartbeat of the universe, a synchronized dance of 2 active nuclei at its center. The interaction of the 2 supermassive black holes creates massive energy currents on the stars, gas, and dark matter around them. This synchronized interaction is one of the dynamic processes that determine the evolutionary future of the galaxy. As the 2 nuclei move in harmony with each other, they create a cosmic symphony. This interaction also affects the overall dynamics and structural order of the universe. Like the synchronized beating of 2 hearts, This cosmic dance reminds viewers of how complex yet orderly the universe is. And now, our final destination, the Shadow Maze Galaxy. This galaxy reveals some of the most enigmatic aspects of the universe: gravitational anomalies and curved light paths. JWST's data shows that the unexpected light deviations and anomalous motions observed in this region are caused by the influence of unseen masses, dark matter. The light paths that wind around the galaxy like a complex labyrinth offer clues to the secrets of the universe that have yet to be discovered. This structure could be a reflection of the effects of unknown neighboring galaxies or unexpected consequences of the universal mass distribution. Every detail opens a door to mysterious worlds deep within the universe. These 5 galaxies reveal just how vast, complex, and full of secrets that have yet to be fully explored. With unique observations from the James Webb Space Telescope, the history, evolutionary dynamics, and unknown forces behind each galaxy illuminate mysteries deep within the universe. The birth of stars, gigantic collisions, the merging of old and new, synchronized heartbeats, and labyrinths of dark matter. They are all part of the great story the universe wants to tell. These discoveries give not only scientists, but also every viewer a sense of the beauty, complexity, and infinite possibilities of the universe. So, dear viewers, let's take a step deeper into the galaxies, into the untold stories and undiscovered secrets of the universe on this fascinating cosmic journey. With James Webb's extraordinary data, we will rediscover the vast and mysterious world of the universe. Thank you, dear viewers, for joining us on this cosmic adventure. I hope the story of each galaxy has given you a sense of how fascinating, mysterious, and full of secrets waiting to be discovered the universe is. These discoveries, which push the limits of science and imagination, are a harbinger of what we can learn in the future. Now let's keep walking together towards the infinite secrets of the universe,